So I just poured 12 ounces of fresh cranberries right into my dish. You're gonna wanna quickly just spread them all over the bottom. Whatever kind of dish you use is just fine. And then go ahead, set that to the side and bring in your bowl. Along with that, we're gonna add 2 cups of Bisquick. So we'll just put that right in there quickly. We have 2 eggs. On top of that, we'll add 1 cup of milk. And I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of vanilla here. Now this is just optional, it's not a have to, but I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of vanilla right along in with that just to make it a little bit more flavorful on the vanilla side. Now quickly come in, mix that all up, just getting that Bisquick mixture along with that vanilla. Then we have those eggs and the milk, yes, all together until it's pretty smooth. If there's a couple little chunks, you don't have to worry about it too much. Just try to get it as smooth as you can. And yeah, give yourself a little upper body workout in the meantime. That looks great. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll just bring right back over those cranberries that we have. Oh, they look so great, don't they? And we're gonna pour all of this batter right on top of those cranberries. So right into our dish, we're pouring all the batter on top of the cranberries. Oh, it's gonna be such a delicious, easy dessert here, right in time for the holidays. Gotta mix that up just a little bit more there on the bottom, and we'll just go ahead and pour the rest of that all on top. Then we'll quickly spread it all out, covering the cranberries, and this dough will rise, and all of those cranberries, they're just gonna get kind of sandwiched in there, and they're gonna start to break and open up, and it's gonna have so much delicious flavor. Now here is the true magic, you guys. This is when it really starts. We are taking sweetened condensed milk, and I'm gonna pour this all over the top of this pie right here. So let's see if it just wants to come out just a little bit. Come on. All right, we're gonna have to help it out just a little bit. Oh yeah, this is gonna sweeten up that Bisquick mix. It's gonna bake in. It almost like the sweetened condensed milk turns very much so like caramel as it starts to cook. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna spread that all over the top. Now, like I said, it doesn't matter what kind of dish. If you wanted to do this in a 9x13, that's fine too, but you just wanna spread that all over the top. Oh, that's gonna be so good when that all bakes together in there. Oh, let's get the rest of that out. Perfect. Oh yeah. What an easy dessert, you guys. If you have not tried this one, this is your sign right here. Now, all I'm gonna do is add a little finishing touch here. I have some of these cranberries that I had set aside, just a few here, and I'm gonna take them and I'm just gonna place them right on top just to give it a nice little pretty appearance. We'll kind of just make like a little bit of a circle or a flower here right in the middle. I don't know. I am not the creator of all designs, so maybe you have something else that you would do that you would like to share. But for now, I am just gonna kind of go right around here, around the outside. Then when everybody looks at it, they know, oh, this is gonna be something with some delicious cranberries, right? Okay, this looks cute. Oh, I think that's fine. I think that's good. All right, so here's for our nice cranberry dessert. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 425, and it's gonna cook for between 17 and 20 minutes. And stick around, I think you're really gonna love this one. Holy cow, check it out. That looks absolutely beautiful. I love the caramelization of that sweetened condensed milk on the top. If you don't want it as done and as caramelized as that, then just go ahead and cover it in some foil. But I love it like this, and the cranberries look great. I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of powdered sugar here. So I'm just gonna come around those edges with a little powdered sugar. Wow, what a nice little holiday treat. It's not too sweet, it's perfect. I can't wait to dig right in here. So I'm gonna get myself a nice big chunk here. Yes, I want a huge piece, mainly because I have to fit the spatula. I'm just kidding. And don't forget, we put those cranberries right in the bottom. Oh, let me get ready over here. Let me scoop everything up. Oh yeah, look at that juiciness, the cranberries, that's what I'm talking about. They're all there in the bottom. Oh, it looks so good. So good here. Oh. Look at all of those cranberries in there. They are just all in with the Bisquick. It's not too sweet. Oh, it's perfect. The sweetened condensed milk on top.
does add a little bit of sweetness. So does the powdered sugar. Phenomenal. You guys have got to try this one. Absolutely love this. I'm gonna dig in. I can't stop eating it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you later.